by way of introduction, to start with, issues of tax and transparency in the news, which will give an important framework in which we are advising. As at the time of recording in March 2022, issues of sanctions on Russian individuals are very much the hot topic in the press. Lots of concerns about dirty money, as is often said, entering the UK. And frankly, this has sped up the pace of what was already a very strong trend in favour of transparency, both to assist tax authorities in levying taxes and also to assist anti-money laundering and anti-criminal activities. So the beneficial ownership register in the UK, for instance, already in draft form before the Ukrainian crisis, but expedited, and that by looking through various levels of ownership to identify underlying beneficial owners of UK property, that may very well put the last nail in the coffin for the utility of offshore structures holding UK residential property. Confidentiality and privacy was one of the last few benefits of those structures. Moving to UK tax updates on cross-border matters, of course, this applies beyond not just to EU residents, but for all non-residents. And although this goes beyond strict estate planning, this is a very important context to remember in wider tax planning for our cross-border clients. Most of the updates have recently focused on UK land and increased the tax cost for non-residents acquiring and holding UK property. There's been a gradual erosion for the advantages of non-residents regarding investments in UK land, frankly. Starting with the non-resident capital gains tax and corporation tax brought in originally in the 2015 Finance Act, pre-April 2019, residential property and ATER property caught by non-resident capital gains tax. Post-2019, all UK real property, residential and commercial, and property-rich entities caught by a capital gains tax charge or a corporation tax charge when sold. Rebasing is possible to the level when the property was first brought within the tax net, but especially in fast-moving property markets, many properties will have gained substantially since even 2019, especially in places like London, where many non-residents will be looking to buy. Capital gains tax, obviously the rates are 18% or 28% for residential property, 10 or 20% for non-residential. Corporation tax is set to rise to 25% by April 2023, and the small profit rate for corporation tax won't apply to non-resident companies.